Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2001 Ford Focus and I will show you which fuses to check in case your power outlet or a cigarette lighter is not working. This video should apply to Ford Focuses made from 1999 all the way up to 2007. Now all the fuses you want to check will be located in a small fuse box in the passenger's cabin just behind this cover. So just pull the cover towards yourself. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. Okay, so if your front power outlet is not working and you own a Focus made from 1999 to 2001, you will check fuse number 46, which is a 15 amp fuse located right here. And if you own 2002 to 2007, you will check fuse number 47, which will actually be just here next to it. So depending on the year, but these are the fuses, right? 99 to 2001 right here, 2002 to 2007 just next to it. And also, if your Focus has the rear power outlet, you want to check fuse number F39, which will be in the upper right corner right here. Okay, now if all the fuses are good and your power outlet is still not working, you'll have to dig a bit deeper, possibly remove the power outlet and test if the power is coming to the outlet. If it does, that means the outlet failed. If it doesn't, then you have some kind of a wiring problem. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.